Do you love a baked potato?
I do.
We have tried 3 easy methods for the ideal baked potato, and you want to stick around for the third one because it's a game changer. Come on over.
Making guests feel welcome, one home at a time.
I live with a potato lover.
Yes, you do. You have, I think potatoes should be served with every meal. You have mashed potatoes, you have potato salad, you have baked potatoes, you have potato French fries, you have scallop potatoes, you have sweet potatoes, which is a whole new category. You could have sweet potato fries. You could have potato casserole.
Potatoes, soup, potatoes, stew, potato salad, potatoes and potatoes, burger, potatoes, sandwich.
Ham and potato casserole. You get the point.
Okay, so
Yes.
That's a lot of potatoes,
A lot
and
of
he's
potatoes.
not kidding. He would eat and has eaten all of those potatoes. But I would say what he is the master of is the baked potato.
Love a good baked potato.
So show them what goes into making your baked potato.
The oven version of the baked potato.
Yes, the
would
true
be-
baked
The
potato.
true baked potato would be a potato, and normally what I do is I just poke it with a fork all the way around, drizzle olive oil on it
Or butter.
or butter, salt, and then I usually wrap it so tight. And I do this just to aggravate my wife, because I will do this and then I will wrap this again.
I mean, it's like opening a nuclear package to get your potato out. And of course, you're like, oh.
Well,
But
it's so
it
good.
works well because it is a really good baked potato.
It is very good. Yeah.
But sometimes your oven is not available. Maybe you're making something else. And what temperature do you usually put this?
Well,
in?
it depends on the potato size. I would say about 400 degrees for about 50 minutes to an hour.
Okay.
It usually works well on an oven.
And it's gone
version.
longer.
Yeah, and the thing about a baked potato too is you can go ahead and cook this, prepare it, and you can, there's no timing on it. So it could sit in the oven for 30, 45 minutes while you get everything else together. So your timing comes out really good with a baked potato.
Unless you need the oven at a lower temperature for something else. And in that case, we've tried 2 other methods. And let me just pause here by saying the microwave is not one of those methods. We have never had a good experience with a baked potato in the microwave. So we're not fans of that, but you might be. Something we tried recently though was
The air fryer. So it's really the same method where you're going to poke the potato, olive oil, salt, but you do not put aluminum foil on it for the air fryer. So we did this at 400 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes last night. We tried it. The inside of the potato turned out great.
very fluffy,
Very fluffy.
very hot,
I thought the skin was a little bit dry.
chewy.
So if
a little
anybody has
tough.
tried the air fryer method and the skin is similar to what you would get out of the traditional baked potato, we would love to hear that idea.
Yes. The flavor was great. The texture of the inside of the potato was great. It was very hot.
Yeah.
And so we do like that. Now, if you've ever used an air fryer, it sounds like a jet plane is landing in your kitchen. So one of the upsides of this is you could actually put this in the garage and let it go for 40 to 50 minutes while you're in the kitchen.
Right.
But it did help us use an appliance that was not the oven to get it done.
And it was easy cleanup.
Very easy cleanup.
Yeah.
But the game-changing way of making a baked potato is in your crock pot. That's right. Same method,
Right.
same.
Poke holes, butter. I like butter as opposed to olive oil, but you can use either one.
Heavy salt and pepper,
Heavy salt and pepper.
wrap it up, and I would wager we could get 6, 8 potatoes in here.
Easy. Yeah.
Then put on the lid, and if you have enough time, I would say low for 7.5 hours. And again, it can just sit in here. It's not going to get any worse in here as it sits.
Right. Yeah.
But if you need to speed it up, you can put it in the crock pot on high for 4.5 to 5 hours, and it will also be very good. This is great for multiple potatoes. How many do you think you could get in here?
Probably this is a smaller air fryer, so probably 4. A bigger air fryer, you could probably get 6 to 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
But this, you can get them all the way up to the lid and it will be just fine. So you can remove the oven part of your baked potato
Right.
and use a different appliance to achieve the same or similar result and keep your oven free. So the Potato King is going to stick probably with oven, but we have options, and so do you. Do you love a baked potato?
I do. Baked potatoes, potato scallops, potato French fries, potato tots, potato. Thank you. My motivation was eating.
Come on over. Now go make someone feel special today.